The struggle is real for taxpayers and the IRS alike. Some people have been waiting months to get their tax refunds because of an IRS backlog of around 35 million unprocessed returns, according to last month's National Taxpayer Advocate report. In addition to challenges created by the pandemic, the IRS has been disbursing stimulus checks, adjusting returns, and calculating other tax credits. And it just issued another round of tax refunds for overpayment of taxes on 2020 unemployment compensation. There's some good news, at least. What should you do if you need your tax money to cover household expenses or pay debt? Live assistance by phone is rare, many callers wait on hold or aren't connected due to high call volumes. So, how can you check the status of your money online without calling the IRS? Is it possible to check your tax refund on 2020 unemployment benefits the same way? And does an IRS Trees 310 transaction mean your refund has been deposited? We'll do our best to answer these questions and do the legwork for you. To learn more on economic relief aid, here are some ways to know if you qualify for the child tax credit payments that went out this week. If you're wondering about future stimulus payments or the latest infrastructure deal, we can tell you about that too. This story sees regular updates. What's an IRS Trees 310 bank transaction? If you receive your tax refund by direct deposit, you may see IRS Trees 310 for the transaction. The 310 code simply identifies the transaction as a refund from a filed tax return in the form of an electronic payment, direct deposit. This would also apply to those receiving an automatic adjustment on their tax return or a refund due to March legislation on tax-free unemployment benefits. You may also see tax ref in the description field for a refund. If you received IRS Trees 310 combined with a child CTC description, that means the money is for a monthly advance payment for the enhanced child tax credit. If you see a 449 instead of 310, it means your refund has been offset for delinquent debt. What's creating the delays in issuing tax refunds this year? Because of the pandemic, the IRS ran at restricted capacity in 2020, which put a strain on its ability to process tax returns and created a backlog. The combination of the shutdown, 3 rounds of stimulus payments, challenges with paper-filed returns, and the tasks related to implementing new tax laws and credits caused a perfect storm, according to a National Taxpayer Advocate review of the 2021 filing season to Congress. The IRS is open again and currently processing mail, tax returns, payments, refunds, and correspondence, but limited resources continue to cause delays. The IRS said it's also taking more time for 2020 tax returns that need review, such as determining recovery rebate credit amounts for the first and second stimulus checks or figuring earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit amounts. Here's a list of reasons your income tax refund might be delayed. Your tax return has errors. It's incomplete. Your refund is suspected of identity theft or fraud. You filed for the earned income tax credit or additional child tax credit. Your return needs further review. Your return includes Form 8379, Injured Spouse Allocation. This could take up to 14 weeks to process. If the delay is due to a necessary tax correction made to a recovery rebate credit, earned income tax, or additional child tax credit claimed on your return, the IRS will send you an explanation. If there's a problem that needs to be fixed, the IRS will first try to proceed without contacting you. However, if it needs any more information, it will write you a letter. How do I track my federal or state income tax refund online? To check the status of your 2020 income tax refund using the IRS tracker tools, you'll need to give some information: your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your filing status single, married or head of household, and your refund amount in whole dollars, which you can find on your tax return. Also, make sure it's been at least 24 hours, or up to 4 weeks if you mailed your return, before you start tracking your refund. Using the IRS tool Where's My Refund, go to the Get Refund Status page, enter your SSN or ITIN, your filing status, and your exact refund amount, then press Submit. If you entered your information correctly, you'll be taken to a page that shows your refund status. If not, you may be asked to verify your personal tax data and try again. If all the information looks correct, you'll need to enter the date you filed your taxes, along with whether you filed electronically or on paper. The IRS also has a mobile app called IRS2Go that checks your tax refund status. The IRS updates the data in this tool overnight, so if you don't see a status change after 24 hours or more, check back the following day. Once your return and refund are approved, you'll receive a personalized date to expect your money. Where's My Refund has information on the most recent tax refund that the IRS has on file within the past 2 years, so if you're looking for return information from previous years, you'll need to contact the IRS for further help. How can I check on my refund for 2020 unemployment benefits? If you think there's a delay in adjusting your tax return and getting a refund for the 2020 unemployment compensation, it might still be too soon to worry. The American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, implemented in March, excluded up to $10,200 in 2020 unemployment compensation from taxable income calculations for individuals and married couples who earned less than $150,000. That means taxpayers who treated their unemployment compensation as income are eligible for a tax break and could get a hefty sum of money back.